Yes, hello everyone. My name is Israel. I'll be taking you slow how the bus system is flowing. This will help you to monitor your sales as they are coming, as well as track your stock. So this is the welcome screen where you have to enter your credentials to access the system. Now this is when you have entered the system inside. First of all, before you do any other thing, you can see what you have on the menu: home, transactions, products, balance sheet, sales per one. This is sales per each person who is, let's say, the waitress. These are the salesmen you have at the bar. This is the money for, let's say, you keep in the safe, the money you have in the bank, and these are the system users. So we will start with adding our products. So here is where you register your products you have. The product code, this can be, let's say, club beer. Description, this can be club beer big. This is the quantity you have in stock, and let's say you have 300. This is the price you sell it at the counter, 4,000. This is the amount you purchase it from the supplier, let's say 2,500. That will be essential in automating your profits. So add the product, you can continue, add another product. Let's say beer small. Description can be the same. And I still have 200. Price, this price we sell it at, let's say, 4,500. Buy it for 7,500. So when you have registered all your products here, now we can add a salesman. These are the waitresses who are serving, so that you can be easy to monitor the sales as they are coming, as they are serving your customers. So like the sales personnel here is Israel. Let's say Israel, maybe Israel Maikan. That's the name of the salesman or waiter or waitress. So after registering all your waiters and waitresses, now the person is at the counter will be able to issue these sales. Now let's say this is the section of you, the boss. So you can register your user who will be like attending at the counter. So we just say cashier, and you create his password, cashier. Now this will handle the sales. So we just say add new user. Now we come in our system users here. So we go back. Now we can log out. So now we go to the section of the sales. Now we start making some money. Cashier, as the details we created there side on the system users. So we log in as the cashier. The cashier can just handle different aspects of the system. Let's say he can add sales. As these waiters and waitresses are taking the product. Let's say someone has just come taken two club beers small today, and it's me, Israel. So I'll just say save sales. And that means I've served out beer, but that person has not given me money. So when you come to the reports here, and we look for a report of today, and we're like, what has Israel taken so far? And we will query the system. The system will show us that he has taken 2 beers of club small, each at 2,500. So we're expecting 5,000, but he has not given us any money. So that means we are demanding him 5,000. See, the advantage of the system is like it keeps all the sales as they are going on. That at the end of the day you have a clean balance sheet. No this complaints that I paid the money when the waitress didn't pay the counter. So when the waitress brings the money, so you come down on the cash receipt. You're like, today, amount that the waitress has brought is, let's say, 5,000. It's Israel. We save the cash. Now when we try to view the report of Israel for today, sales per one, and we say today we'll just say Israel. Now we can see he has brought his 5,000. That's the money we expected, and he doesn't have any debt so far. Any date. So you can print this report for him, for the waitress, in case of need. So as well, you see the whole balance sheet here in front. As the products are going, the expected total should be that, and automates for you the profits, automates for you the debts which are within the waitresses and waiters, the money which you are having, if in case if you want that section of the safe to be there, and if you want the section that the money you take to the bank to be there, that's the money that is in the bank, and that's the whole total cash, the total profits, the expected total, the total debts, total bank cash. So in the scenario where you want to make new purchases and increase the stock, so you can view, like in this side of the products, we have, let's say, club beer. We have sold so fastly. Club beer small house so far too. Those are the amount remaining, the selling price, the purchase price. You can as well use this in case the products will become many. You use this search here to filter out somewhere. Like I want to see knife special, you type there knife. I want to see, let's say, club, type there club. So as well, you can come and access your balance sheet, which contains all items sold, items that are left, and its sale price. You can as well print your balance sheet from using that button, and it will issue it to the printer. So if we come back on the home page, now we can make some transaction and say, you know what, let's add some purchases of some beer. Let's say club beer is small. It will bring for you the name, the price, the quantity left. So here you can add the quantity you have bought to make it here 200. You just say save. So it will, in the purchases section, you see it has stocked for last 2 months. So if we come back to the products, into the products here, you find here we have 200 clubs. So the system tracks all sales, purchases, and as the products are being issued out from the counter, so that you can know who has done what, how much is she demanded, so that you have a daily report of everything that is happening on your counter. As well, you can view all reports. You say all sales. These are all sales that you have made in a due process. You can select a date range. Just say up to that day. So now you can issue a code for that. So it will bring you all the sections, all the sales you have made within that time, the total cash and the total dates. Now the section of the user, you see, that is limited. He can't do some of the commands, like maybe deleting a sale. In a scenario whereby he or she has recorded the sale that didn't happen, that's why he has to contact someone, maybe the manager who has full rights to rectify it and maybe delete it for easy monitoring. Now let's say if you log out and you log in as the administrator, the administrator has full rights of adding products as well as deleting them, as well as deleting some of them, adding salesmen as well as deleting them. adding cash that has been taken to the safe, adding cash that has been taken to the bank, adding system users. Alright.